Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to make this pretty keychain or bagcharm pattern. So I have used this button, which is a 2.5 centimeter button for making this, and yarn I have used this 100% acrylic yarn, and I will show you the label. So this belongs to the size 1 super fine category, and it is from Ganga Hobby India crochet thread, and I have used a 1 millimeter hook for this project. And you will also need this key ring, some beads, and this pearl for this project. So this is a very pretty project and it is also very easy to make. So let's get started. So first we are going to take this button and insert our hook through the front, and we will take this loop to the front. So I have used this green color yarn for the first round. So pull the loop and make a single crochet like this. So likewise we are going to work 4 more single crochets here. So pull the yarn like this to the top, make a single crochet, that is 2, and pull the yarn again to the front and to the top, then make a single crochet like this, then again pull the yarn through the hole, make a single crochet. That's our 4th one, and we will make one last single crochet in this hole. So pull the yarn and make a single crochet. So we have made 5 single crochets here in the first hole. So likewise we are going to make 5 more in the next one. So 1, then again 2, then 3, then 4 single crochet, then the last one, which is 5. So we have made 5 single crochets here, then we will also make 5 in the other 2 holes. So here I have made 5 single crochet in all the holes. So here I am going to make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet and finish this round. Then we will chain 1 and cut off the yarn like this, then pull it off. Then I will hide the yarn tails and we will start with the next round. So here for the next round I am going to use this pink. So join this in any one of the single crochets. So here I am going to pull the pink yarn, and then we will chain 1, then pull the yarn a little bit like this to form a loop. Then we are going to yarn over and pull the yarn from this stitch 4 times. So 3 and 4. So our first loop counts as 1. So we have 5 loops in this puff. Then chain 1 and then we are going to make a puff in the next stitch. Similarly pull 5 loops 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then pull through all the loops, then close it and chain 1, and again make puff in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then pull through all the loops, close the puff and chain 1. Like this we will work one puff in all the stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through all the loops, close the puff, then chain 1. Again pull 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through all the loops, close the puff, then chain 1. So like this we will continue. So here you can see I am near the end of this round. I am going to make a slip stitch on top of this puff right here. So here I am going to make a slip stitch, and then I am going to chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Pull the yarn through and hide the yarn tail. So pass the yarn tail through some stitches like this. Pass this through some stitches. Again this beginning yarn tail we will hide like this, and then we will hide the excess tail. So then we will start with our next round. So for the next round I am going to use this green color again. So insert the hook on top of any one of the puffs like this and pull the green yarn through this stitch, and then we are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet, and we will work here 3 more double crochets in the same stitch. So 1, 2 and 3. So we have 4 double crochets including the chain 3. So on top of the next puff we will make a single crochet. Then again we are going to repeat this, chain 3 and work 3 more double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Then single crochet on top of the next puff. Then again chain 3 and 3 double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Then single crochet on top of the next puff. Like this we will repeat. So chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, then 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, then single crochet into the next stitch, then chain 3, 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2 3, then single crochet in the next stitch. So like this we will continue this round. So here I am near the end of this round. So I am going to make a slip stitch at the top of the first stitch here. I am going to make a slip stitch. Then I am going to chain 1 and cut off the yarn, leaving a long yarn tail like this, and pull the yarn through. So here I am going to use this long yarn tail to attach this with the beads and key ring. So for that I have threaded this in a needle. Then we will add the beads. I have used pink, green and pink, which matches the crochet thread. So pull it to the bottom. Then we will pass it through the key ring like this. Here again we will pass this through the 3 beads and pull it gently. So here everything is in place, so don't pull it too tight, make it a little loose. So then we are going to secure this end of the thread. So for that, keep everything in place and then pass the thread through the other side like this, and then again we will pass it from the back to the front like this. And again we will do it one more time. We are going to pass the thread again to the back like this, and that is enough. And I am going to make a knot here. Make a nice knot like this. So our key ring is secured. Then pass this thread through some stitches and we will hide the yarn tail. So pass it like this. Then we will cut off the excess thread. We'll also hide this small beginning yarn tail. So here then we are going to fix the beads like this. So for that I am using glue gun. So put some glue to the center of the button and place the pearl bead to the center. So the other side also do the same. Put some glue and then place the bead on top of that. So that's it. Our pretty keychain or bag charm is now ready. So do try it. So I hope you guys like this video tutorial. So hit the like button, leave a comment below, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.